Rosie, I think you know where to put that pen. I think you know where it's going to make you comfortable. You have to work harder because you're so on point right now when you mount like that. Okay? So if you have to, did that hurt that time?
No.
Okay. So you're starting to figure it out, right?
Yeah.
Figure out your little nuances. Now look, I don't care if you hit this. I want to see you hit this target. Look. I want to see you hit with it. Okay? If you decide where your sweet spot to shoot it. But let's just try one. Go ahead. You move the same speed as the target and shoot it at 6 o'clock.
Shoulder.
Too soon. So now I'm gonna let you shoot it again, and now you can wait and figure out would it be, because if it's that far, Rosie, you want to let it come in. Let it come in.